Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you each and every one? Welcome in a new lesson 10.1, model volume. By the end of this lesson, each and everyone should be able to find the volume of solid figure. So let's have a look here on this figure. You can get the volume of the shape by just counting the number of cubes. So this shape, it's very clear that it has how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. So we can say that the volume of this shape is 4 cubic units. Good. But what if I'm going to change it a little bit like this? Here I have 4 down and another 4. As you see, here 4 and another 4. So 4 and 4 is going to be how many? Yes, 8 cubic units. Another 4. So it's going to be how many? 4 and 4 and 4. You can add them. It's going to be 12 cubic units. Okay. And this is the first question in the book, in your book here. We have this shape in question 3. So to count it, because your eye cannot see all of the faces from all of the angles, so you can just see clearly this part and the one which is on the top. For me, I prefer to just count the one which is on the top here, because as you see here on the shape that I showed you, if you have here the top one, you have here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and just double it, another 4, it's gonna be 8. This is the shape that you have here. So you can just count the one which on the top, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this layer is 4 and another one down 4. So 4 plus 4 is how many? 8. So the volume is 8 cubic units. Okay, it should be cubic units because we don't know the unit. If it was meter, so it should be cubic meter. But here he did not mention the unit for this. Here by just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the volume is 12 cubic units. Okay, this one, for example, someone is going to just count the upper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this layer is 9, and this one is another 9, and this one is another 9. So how many 9s we have? 3 9s. So the volume finally is, by just counting, it's gonna be 27 cubic units. All of the lesson is about just counting like this way, but some shapes it's a little bit confusing, like in question number 13. In question number 13, to solve it, just split the shape. Let's split it, yes, here, like this. Let's move it. Yeah, here we split the shape to 2 parts. So here we have part number 1 and part number 2. So we have to calculate here the volume 1 and volume 2. In volume 1, count the top layer, which is 4. So this one is 4, this one is 4, this one is 4, and this one is 4. So how many 4s we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 16 cubic units, this one. Okay, 4 and 4 is 8, 8 and 4 is 12, 12 and 4 is 16. Or just you can make 4 times 4 as 16 cubic units. This one, if you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's gonna be 6 cubic units. So the total volume, it's V1 plus V2, which is 16 plus 6, it's going to be finally 22 cubic units. So our lesson for today, it was speak about to get volume for any shape by just counting how many cubic unit it has. See you in another videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.